we go. Where are we, Chloe?
We are somewhere in the Grampians. Somewhere.
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 We're taking a
windmill
stroll. The windmill farm.
Yeah.
What's on your left?
Canola field,
Canola fields.
which has been killing me in the Geloff for the past
Yeah.
few weeks.
Allergies and hay fever just suck because of the bloom. And what's in front of us?
Sheep ears.
All the sheep, yeah.
Sheep. The windmills.
I still can't see the duck that you were talking
I
about.
think it's look, no. It was literally right here.
Oh. Can you all see that? The freaking waves on the grass in the field? You don't see that often in the US.
It's pretty long now.
Yeah, it's really nice.
The sheep are supposed to be eating it, but they're obviously not.
Nope, because the sheep keep going. Where do the sheep keep going? They keep going to different paddocks.
Yeah, they rotate around.
Oh man, and never do I ever want to wrestle with sheep again. You'll just get the worst bruises ever. But hopefully we can make it into one of those the wind turbines. Is it a wind farm or a windmill farm?
A wind farm.
A wind farm, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which
look.
is currently, obviously, as you can see, not running.
One of them was running when I first came here though.
Yeah, they're brand new, so I think they're testing them, but they had one fall over
Oh, when did that happen?
months ago. Apparently it's still on the floor somewhere.
Uh-oh. Too powerful of a wind, yeah. Well, the sheep see us.
They'll be on the run soon.
Yep. One of them's just staring at us. Look at
Yeah,
that.
they do. They will watch you like a hawk.
Eh. Yep, there they go. They're running. All right. Maybe we can get a glimpse of this creek that we're gonna cross. Or not. It doesn't matter. Wish y'all were here. See y'all.